Transform your financial future from scratch by harnessing the power of Experian Boost, even with absolutely no credit history. Today, we're diving into how Experian Boost can be your secret weapon to building credit when you're starting from zero if you've never had a credit card or loan. This is your gateway to establishing positive payment history. First things first, head over to the Experian website and locate the Experian Boost section. You'll need to start by creating an Experian account. If you don't already have one, it's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. The core of Experian Boost lies in securely linking your bank accounts. Don't worry. Experian prioritizes your financial security. This step allows their system to safely access your transaction data. Once your accounts are linked, Experian will scan your transaction history, specifically for on-time payments on utilities like electricity and water, and telecom bills, such as your phone or internet service. These regular payments are often overlooked credit-building opportunities. By identifying these consistent, timely payments, Experian Boost adds them as positive information to your Experian credit report. This is crucial, as it's the first time you're demonstrating responsible payment behavior to the credit bureaus. This added positive data can then help in establishing a credit score for you. Where one previously didn't exist, think of it as giving your credit report its first positive building blocks. The result: you're not only establishing a credit score, but potentially improving your creditworthiness, opening doors to future financial opportunities like renting an apartment or securing a loan, all by leveraging payments you were already making. So, if you're ready to take that first monumental step in building your credit, head over to Experian Boost today and see how your existing bills can work for you. Your financial journey starts now.